Good afternoon to all. I am Sri Chandana of grade 7. Today, me and my friends are going to show activity about the Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect. The scattering of light by passing the particles in a collide is called the Tyndall effect. Now, my friend will take out the other part.
Hello everyone, myself Ansha, I am from 9th grade. Solution. The homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is known as solution. This means that if you take out 1 ml of sample from the different parts of the solution, it will have the same degree of sweetness and the same concentration. It means that this 1 ml of sample contains the same ml of sugar and the same molecules. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Ujjwala from 9th grade. I am telling about solutions. There are two types, solute and solvent. Solute, the component of substance which dissolves in another component by itself is called solute. For example, copper sulfate in solution in water. Water is a solute. Solvent, the solution which dissolves in the solvent is called solute. For example, water, sugar in the water. Sugar is a solute. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sankalp. I study in grade 9 in Sankalp Olympiad. Today I am here to tell about types of solution. There are 3 types of solutions: saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated solution. Saturated solution. A solution at a given temperature is much capable to dissolve when the acid is said to be a saturated solution. Unsaturated solution. When a amount of given solution is less than the saturated level is called unsaturated solution. Supersaturated solution. When a amount of solution is more than the solute solution, then the acid is said to be a supersaturated solution.
A true solution is very clear and transparent, that is, light can pass through it without scattering. A solution in which water acts as solvent is called an aqueous solution, while on the other hand, in which the other liquid acts as solvent is called non-aqueous solution. A true solution is always homogeneous in nature, for all the particles do not settle down, hence the provided temperature is constant. The particle size of the solute is way more smaller than that of the filter paper, so that it can pass through the filter paper pores. This is the true solution. Thank you.
Myself Navneet from grade 9. Today I stand before you to say about suspension. A heterogeneous mixture in which insoluble particles of solute spread through a solvent is called suspension. For example, in muddy water, the particles of sand are spread throughout solvent. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Khajafit. I am from grade 9. I am here to tell about characteristics of suspension. And suspension is a heterogeneous. Size of particles is more than 1000 nanometers. The separation of particles done by the filtration from the solvent, and a excessive amount of scattering done in suspensions because of the bigger size of particles. Thank you.
Myself, I am studying grade 9. Today I am saying about the properties of substantion. The substantion is a heterogeneous nature. In a suspension, the particles can be seen through naked eye and under a simple microscope. In a suspension, the particle size 1000 nanometer or larger. Separation in a suspension solution, the particles can be separated by liquid or gas by filtration. Thank you.
Myself K. Tamra from 9th grade. Today I am here to tell about colloidal solution or colloids. Heterogeneous solution in which the particle size is 1 to 1000 nanometers such that the solution neither dissolve nor settle down in the solvent is called colloidal solution. And the compound present in smaller proportion is called dispersal phase, where greater proportion is called dispersion medium. Thank you.
Good morning to all. This is Farhin from grade 9. Today I am here to explain about types of colloidal dispersion. Dispersion medium: gas and liquid. For example, smoke, dust, etc. Liquids, solids. Example, fog, liquid sprays. Dispersion medium of liquid into liquid, that is emulsion. Water in oil, oil in water, mud, milk, etc. Dispersion medium of liquid into solids. For example, toothpaste, milk of magnesia, mud, etc. Dispersion medium of solid into solid, that are pigmented plastics, etc. Thank you. Good afternoon to everyone. This is Sofia from grade 9th. I am here to tell about properties of a colloidal. Some characteristics are colloidal particles are described below. Heterogeneous nature. The colloid is a heterogeneous nature. The particles in a colloidal are seen with a powerful microscope. Particle size. The size of particles in a colloid lies between 1 to 1000 nanometer. Separation of a colloidal particles by centrifugation. Since the particle size in a colloid is too small, it cannot be separated by ordinary filtration. It has been separated by the process of centrifugation. Stability. The colloid is unstable unless stabilizer, adding a suitable stabilizer. The particles of a colloid tend to come together and settle down. Brownian movement of colloidal particles. We seen under a microscope the particles in a colloid moving together. The random pattern, the zigzag motion of a colloidal particles is known as Brownian motion. The light scattering by colloidal Tyndal effect. The scattering light of a colloidal particles is known as Tyndall effect. Applications of the colloid. Most of the applications of the colloid are because of the removal of the charge or neutralization of the charge on the colloidal particles. The process of the neutralization of the charge on the colloidal particles by addition of the another oppositely charged species is known as the coagulation. Bleeding from cut can be immediately stopped by the applying alum or ferric chloride. In our food, many items contain colloidal particles. Fruit jellies, milk, starch are the colloidal. Thank you.